Hello kids, today we learn alphabet with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's get start. And this is our color. Brown color, sky blue color, black color, red color, orange color, purple color, sea green color, pink color, green color, blue color. Let's go. A for ant. B for bird. C for cow. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. Z for God. Is for honey. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for nut. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rat. S for snacks. T for time. U for university. V for van. W for was. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Let's again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.